Hello my friends, this is Marcy from Calabash Green, SLU. Welcome to Calabash Green. Today I am going to unbox a sandwich maker from SOKANY, and I'm also going to try it out to make a sandwich for you. So stay tuned and please enjoy this video, like and subscribe. How to make a sandwich with my new sandwich maker from SOKANY. So as you can see, it has the red light, which is for power, and the green light for temperature, letting you know when it's ready to use. Okay, so I'm going to make a simple sandwich, a cheese sandwich with some bell peppers. So I'm going to use some cheese, some butter, and some bell peppers. And let's see how it comes out. Sandwich maker from SOKANY. So it's ready and done. So before I place it in, I just want to check to see if that it is ready. So I'm going to check both lights, both the red light and the green light. So both of them are on. So the green light indicates that it is heated up and is ready for use. So I'm just going to pop it in. Yes, the green and the red. So I'm just going to pop it in and give it about maybe 5 to 7 minutes. It's all done, beautifully made. So I'm just gonna pop it out and I'll just break it up so that you could see that it is well done. Well done for you. I'm just gonna break it up. Cheese is still melted. This is Calabash Green SLU and the product review. Please like and subscribe and share the video if you can. How to use a sandwich maker by SOKANY. Yummy!